heading to my event for my big interview. Just got my eyes and makeup done by the greatest, Booma G. And I'm excited. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Coco Gauff New Balance collab on the 327 silhouette. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We have some amazing membership perks that you're not going to want to overlook, as well as an amazing merch store. So be sure to head on over to that website to check out our shade gear that we've got on there. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the Coco Gauff New Balance collaboration that was done on the 327. For those of you who don't know or who have already seen my social media posts, I had the pleasure of actually interviewing Coco during the US Open here at Foot Locker in New York City. And it was such an amazing time getting to see Coco actually kind of intertwine with young women who look up to her in the tennis realm, but also just to be able to see her collection in person because it is phenomenal. So we're going to start off by just taking a look and overviewing this sneaker. Then I'm going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling, and then we'll talk a little bit about the collection and what was on the runway at the Foot Locker here in New York. Let's jump into the overview. So one of the things that I love so much about this sneaker is that it has so many bright, vibrant pops of color. Coco really was inspired by really empowering women to feel confident in what they wear while also making a bold statement. And I think that these definitely stay true to that. So starting with the toe box, we've got some nice tumbling going on here on that white leather. Then we've got some nice, just simple white laces and a nice kind of nylon white tongue with that pop bright orange for the top of the tongue here, which really makes that New Balance pop quite nicely. We've got the intelligent choice for the 327 on the back. For those of you who don't know, for the year 2020, I did nominate the 327 as the best new silhouette of the year. And I will say, as I've been looking at people's feet here in the city, specifically women, This seems to be the hottest sneaker that women are being drawn to. I am seeing more general release colorways, which I absolutely love, but I love that women are starting to diversify into a new silhouette like the 327, just because I think this is one of my favorite new silhouettes and it just fits my foot perfectly. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move to the side panels. All right, so I almost missed a little part of the laces here. So they actually have that kind of tangerine orange on the tips there, which I think is just a nice little accent, which really again pops off of the white. As we move to the side panels, you'll notice that we've got some nice chain links on the side here, and that really pops with the red behind it. So Coco was really inspired by jewelry, specifically from the late 90s. She loves Aaliyah, so that is why you're seeing kind of hints of this jewelry in the gold color scheme on the side here. We've got the New Balance there and that pop of orange, and then as we wrap around, we see this really cool transparent large N, which the 327 is known for, that very, very large N. And I love this because it is such a cool color. This transparent pink just really, really pops off of the white. On the insole, we've got just a nice kind of bubblegum pink with the New Balance branding on there. And we're finished off with a simple white midsole and a white outsole. Let's take a look at all of those final pieces. All right, and not to mention, I was lucky enough to get a signed pink tennis ball by Coco, which is really cool. These will stay with the shoes just because this just makes these even more memorable, and I have a story to remember these by, and I don't have a pink tennis ball, so I'm obsessed with this. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit on these. So I would say stick true to size on these. So I'm a woman's size 9. Again, this was a women's exclusive, so that is equivalent to a men's size 7.5, but I do have high arch narrow feet. So that could decipher a different size that maybe works better for you, but I would say stick true size on this one. All right, so let's jump into styling. So one of the looks that I got to wear on the runway was actually this really cool top. It's very fitted, but I was really just intrigued by the design, and I didn't realize that this was actually Coco's signature. So I've got Coco all over me in this black and white print, which is very vibrant. I had the matching biker shorts to match it with a cute little pop of orange on that belt. And it's just this really, you know, fitting top that has this really intricate keyhole right here, which really kind of makes it a little more sexy in a sense. But I do love how this fits me, as well as the fact that it goes perfectly with these shoes. So you see that we've got the matching orange here on the top as well as on the belt. So that was the first look. The second look was a hoodie. So all black is a very safe colorway. Coco feels the same.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And so that all black hoodie was just a nice subtle way to really just make these shoes this standout piece. There are also a lot of other options for the capsule. So if you have not seen the capsule, definitely go check it out. There's a lot of different pieces, including more pieces that have this same print on it in different color options in a lighter pink and red that really match the shoe to a T, as well as different pant options, which are really cool, and really cool jackets. So definitely check the collection out. You can find that on Foot Locker and New Balance's website. Sneakers are going for $100. I believe there are select sizes left, but they are almost sold out. So definitely go hit up those websites if you haven't already. I will have those links in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing these or any of the pieces from the capsule. But do head on over there before it sells out fast. All right. These again retailed for only $100, which I think is insane for the silhouette. So absolutely worth every penny. This is by far one of my favorite silhouettes still again in 2021. That's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much everybody for tuning in. If you're new to the channel today, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as an amazing membership platform. So if you want to check out the perks for our members, be sure to hit that join button, as well as check out our merch store. We've got some amazing merch on there. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next one.